Alright, so I'm just going to get myself my little Slim Jim pry bar, plus another putty knife here, just to help me and assist me with the pressures of pulling this out without harming anything. So there's little pin nails on the side of this, and I just want to make sure that I do this nice and gently. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is see if there's any weak spots, any little tiny gaps to make it easier for myself that I can more or less create the momentum of lifting each piece off. So I see there's one over here. So there's one over here actually. So I just want to squeeze it. Okay, so I want to get even tighter than that. So I'm going to take one of my rough X-Acto blades and then we'll just slip it in there. Perfect. And then I'll open it up a little bit, just so that this goes in without harming the wood itself. Make sure that doesn't go too downward. So I'm just going to leave it this nice and gently. You gotta be patient. There's nice, easy little movements. Once you get it loosened, it comes right out. I'm just gonna sit it in here. It's nice and easy. Just take your time. And so this is for you guys that if you have it on the face side that you didn't like, this is kind of what you do. And this is as soon as you, whether it has a finish on it or not, this of course is raw. So when you take this out, it's the exact same way. You just try to find that little crack, and then you just work it in. If there's no crack, which I think we'll find in some of these, it's the same way, but you have to just be a little more careful. Take your time. You know, you do it right the first time without harming anything, then you put it back the way it was. No one will ever know. And you don't have to be a journeyman to know this. So it's just pretty much feeling confident in how you do things and such. Okay, so I'm popping out now. Now the pin nails are still attached to the stiles here of the door. So it's just popping through the wood itself. And so we have to snap off all these little pin nails before we do anything after this. And we'll have to probably do that with all the rest. Okay. So, and this cover has lighter. Okay. And this one should be really easy now. There we go. Okay, so now this will be on the safe side. No, I didn't build this door. I'm just going to grab my pencil over here. And like, so I'm going to mark it on this side to this side. So I'm going to go one right at the bottom and put a little circle so it's going to be easier to see. Okay, and there, I'm just going to go right in the middle here. Go one with this circle. Okay, so now I know where it goes. You set this aside. So let's put this on the long side here. You see some cracks. Now there's some my blade. That. But it opens just a little bit more. I'm just double checking to make sure that there are no pins on this side, which all of them are on the style still. Okay, so I'm gonna go let number 2 on here. There's a circle. 2 on here. circle. I can always erase this before I assemble it too, so I'm just gonna set this aside again.
Stop. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it.